Yeah, sorry, after 40 minutes in Zoom, it gets disconnected. I just logged in back. So I'll just share the screen. 5 minutes, we will just try to cover up. Yeah, so in NTEP, it was told that as per the American standard, it requires 1 hour test. Then only they can classify or specify the rate of error the instrument will have. And then only they can identify the error limit, which is the minimum limit for the error and which is the upper limit or the maximum error limit. So based on the error limit, they can classify the accuracy level for the instrument. So this is the difference between OIML and the NTEP standards. So it's always better to go up with OIML recommendation than that of NTEP. So this is universally decided across the many countries, but this was decided only with respect to United States. So after that, they also speak about minimum dead load output return, so which is in short called as MDLOR. So what does this minimum dead load output return speaks about? So it provides the difference in the load cell output at the minimum dead load measured before and after a 30-minute load application. So in our practical, what we used to do, we used to apply the load and take the reading. We never used to wait until 30 minutes. So now, if you wait for a dwell time of 30 minutes exactly, and then again you measure the reading. So the difference between these two will provide you the minimum dead load output return for that particular load what you have applied in the load cell, and these values could be plotted and the variation also could be understood. Okay, so here it shows the output with respect to time, how it has been varying. Okay, so we have just done a very minimum part in the load cell experiment, but in actual, if you want to classify to know in depth, you should try to study about each devices, how it is being used in industries or organization. So then it will really help you to understand how good the field of measurement is, how good the field of metrology is, and how it is helpful in many industries. It's not only in mechanical. It is very beautiful subject. If you go up with respect to digging the research behind each instrument, device and utilization, you will get very in-depth knowledge related to each module. You will be really having good examples to explain also in reality how every load cell or any other measuring device for that case works exactly. So I just focused in the last class on strain gauge, and now I'm just covering you for the load cell. Let me see if in the next class, if time permits, we'll do it for the rest. And then next term what you should understand is the temperature effect on minimum dead load output. So how the temperature affects on minimum dead load output. So when you apply the load at a specific room temperature, it will show you some reading, and when you keep that load for a certain period of time, how the effect of the temperature will come out across the 30 minutes dwell time. So that difference will provide you the deviation of the temperature effect on our minimum dead load output return. So as per that, you can just draw a graph and show. This will help you to show how sensitive the given load cell is to our external environment. You cannot understand this only by putting on the load and getting the reading. It will not provide you any sensitivity how it is affecting with respect to our temperature. If you want to analyze this, you should keep always a dwell time and check the reading for 30 minutes how it is varying, and from that you can figure out how sensitive your readings are with respect to change in the external environment or a matter of temperature or whatever. So this is the importance of temperature effect on minimum dead load output return. So what I just wanted to tell. And later they have also discussed about the combined error level. So this was with respect to OIML specifically and NTEP specifically. Later they made an approach for identifying some errors with a combined approach of NTEP and OIML. This I will explain you in the next class. I don't want to make hurry. So there is a beautiful description how you will classify the load cells. Everything is beautifully explained with respect to numerical values also. This I will explain in tomorrow's class. Now it is 12:50. At this stage, I just want to stop my class. So if you have any doubts, you're free to ask. And are you people taking the test, Tarun? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you are taking the test, right?
Yes, ma'am. I will.
Yeah. Okay, no problem. You just speak with your other friends also and let me know the final number. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, then. Take care, everyone. Have a nice day. Prepare well for your internals. Jayant, how are you?
Ma'am,
How are
I'm
you?
fine, ma'am. Thank you.
Last
How
to
are you?
last class, you were not there. Why? Bunking the
Ma'am,
classes?
I was there.
Okay. I could not see, I hope.
I don't know, ma'am. Because one class I was absent. I don't
I
remember when.
okay, not a problem. No, always you will be there, right? So in one class I could not see your name, so I just asked you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then both of you take care. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Same.
Yeah. Bye bye.